Hello everyone, it's Bibi Cameron here. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing ideas and inspiration using the Tonic Craft Kit number 9. And today I have a special guest with me. I didn't invite her, by the way, but she insisted that she wanted to be here crafting with me this evening. So she's going to help me to unbox the kit and to make the first samples in this video. So in this kit you are going to get 2 mini Nuvo mousses, a mini bottle with Nuvo drops, sequins,
too fancy,
glitter, and papers in different textures. Some of them are metallics. You are going to get also glitter paper, and all this paper is amazing for die cutting. This kit also includes a stamp set with 8 individual stamps, and don't worry, it also includes a die set, and the die set is spectacular. So it has 21 pieces. Is this one here. I already put it in this magnetic chim just to organize it, and it has all these pieces here to add different embellishments and accents to a little box. We are going to make a goodie bag at the beginning of the video. Then I'm going to share with you a very fun technique to use those intricate dies and to manipulate die cuts in a very easy way. This die set also includes 3 gift tags. They are tiny, and some of them or 2 of them coordinates with the stamps in the kit as well. And with this die here, if you want, I'm not going to use it, you can create a slit to latch in this part of the box. So I'm going to show you here very quickly. So there you have the slit, and then all you have to do is to put this part inside like so. So there you go. Now we are going to show you how to put the box together, or how to make the box. We are going to use a patterned paper, and we are going to die cut this paper using this die here. And I previously cut in half an A4 sheet of cardstock, which is this yellow one here, and I'm going to die cut 2 pieces of cardstock in one go. Another thing I used to do a lot is to analyze the shape of the die cuts. And Emma did as well. So she said, "Oh mommy, look, a dress." Well, Emma knows the same English than me, or maybe she knows more English than me actually. So it's like a vest or a baby vest, and you can use it to create a kind of baby shower gift bags or something like that. Today we are going to be using these fun dies. Emma searched in the Tonic Studios die set storage folder, and she got this one, a cake and a castle, and I think they were just perfect. So I'm going to stick the sides of the box with this tape. This is a double-sided tape that came in a previous Tonic Studios craft kit, and I really like it. It's really strong. So what I'm going to do is to stick this die cut here first. You can do it anytime, you know, you can do that now or after, but I'm going to do it now. I'm going to stick it there, and Emma wants to stick the robot there. And once we have that done, I'm going to remove the backing of the tape. I'm going to align the box, making sure that it's perfectly aligned here. So that's neat and nice. And then Emma is going to help me to remove the other backing of the tape, and I'm going to stick this like so. You have to make sure that everything is aligned, okay? I'm going to cut this part of the die cut here, and I made a mistake because I should cut that little bit in the other flap and not in this one. You can also cut this flap completely, but I prefer to keep it because it gives me a little bit of strength at the bottom of the box. So when you have your box completely finished, you can start adding embellishments. I'm going to use these 3 dies to create a tag, and I'm just going to die cut the same kind of papers I use on the box. And I know this is a super easy and basic idea, but it's just to share with you the products in the kit, how to use them, and a couple of extra fun ideas. And you can make this box in many different colors. You can use different die cuts, you can use different papers, and that will change the whole appearance of this product.
I think those are huge, but they are fun. Huh?
Now the other one.
That one. Hello.
Oh.
That's a cool robot. Look.
Yeah. I look cute.
Do you love it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have my Bibi back.
And where is the other one we made yesterday? Grab it. Show it.
Look at this one.
So that previous clip is the only clip with real-time audio because Emma started screaming and she made different things and she moved the hands all over the place. She put the head in, you can see her head in the camera, so I have to edit this video to make it possible for you. Anyways, so we decided to make different boxes. We also try to create the box with paper, with designer series paper, and I really love this box here. Super simple. Is a paper that has foil or it has golden balloons as well, and it was super easy to make. You can go so basic, clean and simple, or you can also add more details and add more work to the project. Of course, some people love spending hours in a little box, and I appreciate that, but today we need to make 16 boxes, so we need to make something quick. You can also use another dies like this one here to add some decoration to the box at the sides. Well, the sky's the limit with these boxes. And I want to take 1 minute here to let you know how to order the kit. So all you have to do is to click in the link in the video description and you will be redirected to the Tonic Studios official website, and over there you will be able to see this kit availability and also when the next kit is going to be released. And something super duper important, these kits are sold as a pre-order. If I was a customer, I should pre-order the kit last month to be able to get it on my table today. And I'm part of a group of people who receive the kit a little bit in advance to be able to share ideas and inspiration with those who are about to get the kit. So this is the situation. When I upload this video, some of you are subscribers to the kit and you are looking through the window waiting for the postman to come and deliver your kit. And some other people is new to the kit, they don't know anything, they just found the kit today and they go and click in the link in the video description and they found that the kit has been sold out. Bibi, I'm not guilty, I'm sorry. I'm telling you, go and click in the link in the video description and make sure you are going to be notified when a new kit is released. So anyway, my boxes are done, and now let me show you another style of boxes. For these boxes here, I fully use the products in the kit, the paper and the intricate die cuts. And I also apply a fun technique to handle die cuts that I developed myself and I'm going to share with you in this video as well. So when you die cut the paper, you will notice that sometimes after die cutting, you will get all the pieces or the little pieces of die cuts here and there or flying everywhere. Very, very difficult to get all the die cuts stuck to the die or over the embossing plate or the die cutting plate. So that's how a die cut is going to look when you cut a thin paper just normally. Then I decided to do something to keep all those die cuts in place, and I'm using this piece of fabric here. I sprayed with a temporary spray adhesive and then I remove the stickiness with my hand. I don't want that fabric too sticky, and I place the paper on top just like that. So I'm going to place the die on top of this piece of cardstock and I'm going to run the whole thing through my die cutting machine. As I use the Tangerine die cutting machine by Tonic Studios, I just ran that through the machine once. If you are using another die cutting machine, you are allowed to do that twice. because I don't want to die cut the fabric. And as you see there, all those die cuts are firmly adhered to that fabric temporarily. They are not there forever. This spray adhesive keep them in place, and you can check this, and you go so strong. You see, I'm just trying to do this to show you, and those die cuts are going to stay there. You can remove the paper like so, and you can start peeling the paper one by one to easily apply a paper piecing technique. I'm going to show you something else you can do. So I'm going to grab another piece of fabric. I'm going to spray this with that temporary spray adhesive. Any information in my blog about the materials I'm using in this video. I'm going to make sure that this fabric is ultra sticky. This one here needs to be ultra sticky, not like the other one for die cutting that needs to be slightly sticky. Once the adhesive is dry, I'm going to place that die cut image on top of that super sticky fabric, and I'm going to press using a bone folder or something, and I'm going to remove this backing fabric. You see that sometimes it peel off the cardstock, so the shim we use, or the fabric shim we use to die cut, it really needs to be very with very little sticky, not super sticky, or we are going to get those die cuts completely stuck to the fabric, because the die cutting machine just make a lot of pressure on those materials. So I'm going to remove here, this is all in real time, okay? I'm going to remove the large frame or the intricate die cut here. It will take me a couple of seconds, it's not that much. I need to make sure that I get all the little die cuts stuck to the fabric, and I get the negative image on that fabric. Last week I shared a video about this technique for very first time. I never saw something like that, but some people were commenting about press and seal and something like that. Then I rush out to see, and I said, Jesus Christ, I didn't invent the wheel. No, actually I did. The fabric shim is a super DIY invention, and it works amazing because you can die cut with it. So my DIY sticky fabric shim offers you a very unique solution at the moment. Maybe someone is going to create something different and start selling it. I don't know. Anyways, this is a top secret for you, and I'm sharing it, and it's completely free, so I hope you like it. Thumbs up to this video if you like it. Okay, so now all you have to do is to choose which die cuts you want to glue to a piece of paper. Could be a card, could be a box, anything. I'm going to glue these dies on the panel of my box, and I'm going to use this bone folder here to help me to transfer those die cuts just properly there. I'm going to allow this to dry, wait for some seconds, and then come back here and remove the backing fabric again. So that's how you transfer a whole die cut image, intricate die cuts, to a card panel or a box panel or something. So that's all I did there, and I think it's super fantastic. It's super easy. Die cut several panels in different colors and get those flowers transferred to another panel, and the sky is the limit. I'm going to apply a little Nuvo drop just there. This is the drops that comes in the kit, and I'm going to use one of these die cuts here to create a stem for that flower, just like that. So I was thinking which kind of paper I should use to create a box with this panel, and I thought that golden with that texture will be ideal, but then I changed my mind and I decided to use this red paper, which is also beautiful. I also use one of the dies in the craft kit to create a sentiment for this box, and that's it, that's the box. I'm not going to glue this properly or to close the box properly because I need to put something inside first, so it's just to give you an idea. And you know that I like to provide as many samples as I can. And the other day I also made this box here. For this box I used the same fabric shim But in this opportunity, I use it to make easy paper piecing. And I have to be honest with you. If you are going to use glitter paper to do this, the glitter paper might not need the fabric trim at the back because this paper is quite thick and sometimes you manage to get all the little die cuts stuck to the paper or in one single piece. So you might not need the fabric trim, but I still use it here to show you that this works every time you do it. And if you are going to use glitter paper with your fabric trim, you need to know that the glitter paper is a little bit naughty. And you will know that when you are working with this paper. This paper is not as easy to handle in this way as another kind of papers. But you will find a way to use it and to do it anyway. So the fabric trim is going to stick the glitter paper as well. It's going to stick any kind of paper. Of course, I will refrain to use a very thin paper because it's going to stick to the fabric and it's not going to be easy to remove it. So all I have to do here, because you can see perfectly the flower on that fabric trim, and all I have to do is to place the die cuts on the negative space of this panel here, and that's it. So in this particular case, I found my fabric trim very useful. I also add some of the golden die cuts to the sides of the box, and you can go with as many details as you want. So the other box you saw first in the pictures was made the same way. I also used my fabric trim to die cut glitter paper. I did exactly the same. And something else I want to show you is this golden paper here, which I think is just stunning. It just made me think about chocolates. So it's just beautiful to make chocolate boxes. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and visit the blog for more ideas and inspiration. Thank you very much for watching and happy crafting. Bye!
Mommy, just teach me. That's way in it. Help me. Mommy, help me.
You have to say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Today, my mom is going to teach you how to make these awesome woody bags for my birthday party.
So, hello, guys. My mom is going to make these woody packs for my party. So, I asked you how to make them. So, hello, guys. My mommy has how to make them, so I was going to have these woolly bags in my party, so my mommy can make it. So we're going to have them in a woolly party.
And nobody understands what you say.